analyst, has the Congress, Sujata Paul, been economical with the truth when they said that the current government has ceded land to the Chinese in Arunachal Pradesh, and which is why this village of 101 houses has come up?
Look, Pankaj, this is a very, very important issue, and we should not play petty politics over it, because this is related to national security. And when we talk about this particular land, what is the BJP talking about? I want to know from them, under whose rule did Pangong Tso Lake territory go into the hands of the Chinese? Under whose rule were 20 soldiers of ours butchered? And now that
Ma'am, can we please stick to one thing at a time? Since today the former Congress president has spoken specifically about Arunachal Pradesh, let's stick to the facts, because then we go into Pangong, we go into other areas, we go into Spangur Gap. People just get confused. I have put out the facts about this particular area on India's border with Arunachal. Can you please tell me if the Congress today has been economical with the truth to say that the Prime Minister's responsibility was to protect Indian territory, and Indian territory in Arunachal Pradesh has been ceded to China?
Padmaja, isn't it necessary for the Prime Minister to stop authorizing the Chinese into saying that this territory was is in our control and belongs to them? Because that is what he did earlier also when the bloody combat happened in June. That is why I brought that up. Again, we are authorizing them into saying that this territory belongs to them. But this territory has been ours, and we must fight for it, and we must rise above petty politics. That is what I'm saying. We should not
I think your intention and your words are very noble. You said we should not indulge in petty politics and we must fight for the land. So let me ask you, when since 1959, this government, this land, according to government maps, has been under the control of China, how many fights have we had under the preceding governments, and how much of petty politics has been avoided on the issue? Ms. Paul.
Okay. Tell me something. Is this foreign policy? Foreign policy is not about battling it out on the ground. Foreign policy is about talking to each other and finding solutions to problems. And that is what the preceding governments have done. And this includes the Atal Bihari Vajpayee government. Can you deny that? And I want to know, how is it that not a single construction was made before the present government came into power? Was the Chinese not encroaching into our land at that time?
Okay, good point. Good point. Good point. Finally, good point. So answer this, Sanju, of what it is doing. Now let me tell you, first I told you about the road projects. Now let me tell you about what else India is doing. I quote to you a report from the 25th of November 2020, and then I will bring Sujata Paul and Colonel Dini back in. In the last 3 months, which means from the end of October till the beginning of November, the Indian Army and the ITBP have established outposts and temporary camps in areas along the India-China border in Arunachal Pradesh that so far had been inaccessible and were earlier covered only by temporary long-range patrols. Vulnerable stretches along the Dibang Valley, Upper Subhanshiri and Upper Siang districts of Arunachal Pradesh have now been covered. The LAC in Arunachal Pradesh, 1,126 kilometers, is now broadly covered in a more effective fashion by the Army and the ITBP. And this is why suddenly you've got a rattled China building these doing this construction in an area which, again I repeat to you, Sujata Paul, was given to them in 1959, was ceded to them in 1959. So who's a weak Prime Minister? What you're saying today is a safe goal.
You're willing to talk about 1959, but you're not
because
willing
you
to talk
brought it up.
about 2019. Let me complete. What I'm saying is, all right, what about Subramaniam Swamy's tweet? You know what he has said? We need to address a problem. Unless and until we admit that there is a problem, how are we going to find a solution? Today, Dr. Swamy's tweet...
Sir, madam, why are you hiding behind Subramaniam Swamy? The gentleman is not here to speak for himself. He is a...
We need to admit that this blunder has been made. We need to acknowledge that investment has been made.
How convenient is it for you to believe?
Is it me, your MP? Is it your MP? Anyhow, what he has said is simply saying that we will be negotiating this engagement by the Ministry of External Affairs, will be
Kashmir?
enough?
Is it
I want to know that if we
Is
are willing to
Subramanian
believe
Swamy
Tapir
heading
Rao
the
now,
defense
please
ministry?
understand that
Why
whatever
do you not
statement he
believe
made
Rajnath
earlier
Singh?
is the
Why do
But
you not
Tapir
believe
Gao was saying the
Rajnath
same thing
Singh?
throughout.
At that point-
And Tapir Gao is still talking about that area. And again, because we keep going back to point number 1 and ignoring time and again the facts that I have been stating, let me quote to you, Colonel Dini.